Iri weche semi muske Julius Gamba nigo aboririe oseni gatebrenga matemu mbuya agenrete na barokiwa ba grade gya gatano narimo na kyanda naboigo ikomi nebere kokona bosibe kamati yeche semi meye bunge ni gatebrenga na serikali nebegete merobelio yokurigereria atoigo naboigo obolindi boisene chinga kichiga amatemu aokara ganko yakwana ega ekaroto kuganda gwikera bono ega no gatebanga amatemu akirasi kia gatano narimo na arabuya litukuria rero.
It is true that there are challenges of floods in some areas of the country where we are administering examinations, and as a ministry we put measures in place because we anticipated this. It is something that happens every year. We anticipated that during this time we might have floods affecting certain areas, and even this morning we've been receiving reports of areas where vehicles are not able to pass through bridges because they are flooded. But what we've done, we have choppers on standby, and we have a command center at NEC where when these particular officers come across such a challenge, they would call the command center and a chopper would be dispatched to ensure that the examination papers are delivered. What we've assured them is not to try and, for example, cross flooded rivers because of the dangers that are involved. And we've agreed with them that even though there could be a delay of 1 hour or two, it is better that there is that delay as you wait for the floods to go down, for the rivers to, the amount of water to reduce for them to cross, so that we can then be able to deliver the examinations. But that is the things that we are doing now. We have choppers in place, we have four-wheel vehicles on standby, so that where there is mud or, roads that are becoming impassable in those areas, there are teams in place to respond to those challenges immediately so that the examinations are done. The exams that we've done the last 2 days have gone on well. Actually, it's just last night that there was a lot of rain in some areas and we are attending to it. That's why you are seeing us coming out and ensuring that that progress has been done as they keep reporting on an immediate basis. However, Chair, as a ministry, and because we have realized that this is a problem that is not going to go away because the road network in some areas has not been done properly. We are working on a policy right now on a paper to see how we would leverage on drone technology to ensure that in the future, in these areas, we can leverage on that drone technology to deliver those papers to those particular places so that we reduce the chances of us going through the difficulties that I've gone through. And the reason is because it is every year, because it happens every year, we got to think about other methods of ensuring that we mitigate that particular challenge. So something is being done in that space, and what I can assure you and assure the country is that no candidate is going to miss the examinations because of the rain or because of the mudslides or because of any challenge. We put adequate measures in place. Number two, Chair, you raised the issue of IPOA and the National Police Service. The National Police Service are working with us through the Ministry of Interior, and I did indicate in my report that we are closely working with the Ministry of Interior in offering security and ensuring that our students are undertaking the examinations and assessments in a safe environment. I raised the issue of IPOA because of the number, on the basis that should there be issues relating to misconduct of a police officer, then there is a number for them to report, so that it is a 360 situation where we are completely having a controlled environment where we don't have any unauthorized people coming to the examination centers, and ensuring that going forward the examinations are done, they have integrity, and they are done seamlessly.